Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you the Midjourney image editing. Okay, first things first, what you want to type in is /imagine and enter the prompt that you want to enter. In my case, I'll enter Illustrator retro-inspired outfit featuring a polka dot dress. Midjourney will then generate an image with the polka dot dress that I am asking for. Next step is choose one of the images it created and upscale it by typing U3 or U4 or etc. In my case, I will choose an image and upscale it using U3. Once you upscale, you'll see the new berry region option. By clicking this option, it will take you to an editing window where you can make various alterations to your image. There are actually two selection options, which are the rectangular selection and the lasso tool. The lasso tool is particularly useful as it allows you to select areas for editing. For instance, you can select the dress and change its color. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. Now you know the Midjourney image editing. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.